talk all night, we just let the good times pass. Got caught up in our fights. I say I don't mind, but that's a lie. Thought we'd work it out. I've tried to
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making some delicious mixed veg oats khichdi. For this I'm using 3 types of dal. You can use any dal of your choice. Here I have used yellow split moong dal, tur dal and masoor dal. And I'll be cooking in one of my favorite cookware, which is this stainless steel Hawkins Contura cookware. It's made from superior surgical grade stainless steel, and as you can see it stays bright and very easy to clean. It has a very thick sandwiched bottom that heats the body evenly and ensures proper cooking. But of all that, my favorite thing is it's absolutely dishwasher safe. Cooking this oats khichdi is super easy. I have used ghee tadka with jeera and rai, some curry leaves, tej patta, garlic and ginger with a little bit of turmeric and salt, and that's it. While the khichdi is cooking, let me show you some of my most favorite cookwares that I use almost every time I cook. To begin with, this is my stainless steel cookware set. This is made up of tri-ply stainless steel. It has a sandwich bottom with an aluminium core for even heat distribution. The shiny mirror finish just adds to its beauty, but more than good about it, it's super easy to clean. Similar on those lines, I have this stainless steel cookware, but it does not have any sandwich bottom, or is it tri-ply. But this is one of my first cookware that I have, so it is almost 12 years old, and as you can see, it holds its shapes absolutely perfectly. This is another tri-ply stainless steel cookware, again gets used every single day, but I'm not big fan of this purple color that's on top. It leaches every time when I wash in dishwasher, but since it is not in contact with food, I'm okay with it. It works on all cookware surfaces, and I have a set of 3. Now let's talk about the very famous cast iron cookwares. Now I have this pan with a unique spout or pouring lip, which makes it really easy to pour away the gravy. Another one is this kadai with this tempered glass lid and a rubber covering on it. All this cookware set is from Meyer's brand, and it is very well made, and the best part what I like about any cast iron cookware is that it's a one piece design without any screw or any welded joint. It makes super easy to clean. This is my very famous dosa tawa that I use all the time. Next in this category is this cast iron enamel cookware from Amazon basic range. Now the whole idea of buying this was that it was cream in color, and I totally fell in love with this. I would not suggest that it's a very well made cookware. I very rarely use it, only when I am like cook and serve situation. Here is all my bakeware collection where I bake almost all my goodies. This set is from Borosil, and it is in 2 different capacities, 700 ml and 1.6 ml. I'm sorry, 1.6 liters. So whenever I'm making a baked layer kind of dessert, I use them. And recent to my addition has been these Ikea bakeware. This is made up of porcelain, and it makes the oven dish really impact resistant and durable. It is oven safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe. But the best part about it is these handles that makes it so easy and safe to handle any hot baked goods from the oven. This is the Lyckad. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's a set of two, and I fell in love with the smooth design of this bakeware. It is made of stoneware and it is color glazed. Absolutely safe to use because it does not contain any cadmium or lead. Again, it's microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and oven safe. So these are one of my favorite things. Now, I do have non-stick cookware from Hawkins Futura range, and I have been using it for really long time because it's a high quality non-stick coating, and the entire non-stick coating is locked firmly into a tough hard anodized surface underneath, which makes it last longer than any ordinary non-stick cookware. I do have a griddle pan. It's again non-stick, and again this pouring spout makes it really easy to take off the excess oil just in case it's there. Oh, my khichdi is almost ready. I'll take some khichdi along with some little bit of ghee, extra for Ishi, little for me, and some pickle.
I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do.
This is my mom's favorite homemade pickle. I just love this pickle. And since it's raining outside, the warm porridge is such a comforting food for me. We went for a little stroll outside, and the weather is so heavenly.
I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do.
So tonight's dinner menu is gluten-free beetroot pasta in mushroom white sauce, smoked paprika deviled eggs, grilled paneer with herb cherry tomato, and baked custard with plum and cherry sauce. Sounds too much. It took me 1 hour to cook, and I'll just show you in a most unedited way how I approached cooking so much food in less than an hour. On everyday basis, I do not like to make my white sauce with butter. Honestly, I use more of milk and cook it longer to make it rich and creamy. I'm also going to utilize this time to do a little bit of meal prep and prepare the tomato onion paste that is used in almost all Indian cooking. I use this gluten-free pasta, and we like the variation of beetroot and spinach pasta. I will leave a link in the description box. So every time when you're cooking pasta, make sure the water is nicely salted, almost like sea water, and it will help your pasta get some flavor. Now, while making the white sauce, just add olive oil and oats flour instead of maida. Yes, it will thicken your sauce very beautifully. Only thing that it will not do is not make your white sauce shine absolutely white. To me, it's absolutely okay because it's so much comfortable on my gut. So again, the trick here for white sauce is to cook it low and slow. While 3 of my burners are already occupied, the 4th will be occupied by this cherry and plum sauce. I had few leftover cherries and plums along with some baked apples and a little bit of sugar and water. I'm going to leave this saucepan on again low and slow heat. Not much cooking to be done. It will cook on its own.
About you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do. It's hopeless to be holding on to you.
The white sauce is ready. Now I'm going to put the pasta along with mushroom and capsicum mix that I prepared earlier, and I'll also add some seasoning to this, a little bit of salt. And to top this off, instead of adding cheese, I usually like to add Parmesan cheese on top of white sauce. It just gives a very beautiful umami flavor. And but instead of that, you can always use Nutritional yeast and cashew powder, which I'm using it today.
Waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do. It's hopeless to.
So now I'm going to make a cheat tomato, garlic, onion confit. Now usually a confit is made on a very low olive oil soaked way. You do not heat the olive oil at all, like roaring heat. But here I'm just cheating to make it quick. While that's happening, in the same pan which I use the milk for the white sauce, I'll be using it to make the custard because it is a thick bottom. I've used 2 eggs and sugar. Whisk. Add the milk, a little bit of tapioca starch. I use 2 teaspoons, and then again give it a good whisk. Make sure the milk is cold. You do not want to mix a starch in a hot, any kind of hot liquid. It will curdle immediately. Cook the custard on a low heat. I'm adding this amazing vanilla bean paste. Absolutely in love with this vanilla paste. Highly recommended. It's linked in the description box just in case if you want to give it a try. Switch off the flame and your custard is ready. My confit is also ready almost. Just see this. I've added loads of garlic, smoked paprika. I'm pouring the custard and I'm going to bake this for another 20 minutes in the oven at 180 degrees C. It will get nice brown and bubbly and it will taste heavenly. Now while everything is ready, there are just few more ingredients left. I'm just quickly mincing some onion, garlic, some mayonnaise, tomato sauce, chaat masala, always my favorite, little bit of pepper, salt, and some egg yolks. I'll just mix it all over again, and my deviled egg is ready. I'll sprinkle some paprika and I have some sumac powder as well. That's absolutely optional. Now I'm taking my griddle pan and grilling 2 fillet of paneer. Now the trick here to grill a paneer or any fillet for that matter perfectly is that you leave it. Until unless it leaves the surface on its own, do not scratch it. I'm just topping everything with this amazing cherry tomato confit. What do you say? It looks divine. Just puree the plum sauce and add a pinch of cinnamon to it.
Dreaming of you, 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 dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the products used in this video is linked in the description box for you. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Also leave me a comment which recipe you would like to try.